Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and as you can see by the condition of my hair, it has been raining in Martinez. No cats here to give you a weather report. And this is Burgh unbagging. Now this thing just came in the mail. This took 36 days to get here from Thailand, and it had the wrong box number on it. So this is Burgh unbagging. All right, there's the bag. There's my information. And this is the little tiny iPad camera light. Now, I am not at all sure how this is supposed to work. I have a feeling. Right, but it's very odd. It goes in the microphone port, and you cannot see it, but it is bright. Well, yes, you can. It stays on. So, there it is, which means now, with this attached, I guess the iPad itself, this will give me the ability to do. Let's see, how bright is this? It's pretty bright. It's about the size of a LED flashlight, but it'll at least give me a little better ability to do. Can't talk, but I'll have the ability to do videos at night. I hope. That's why I got this little, and we will see tonight. I will go out after dark. How this does when it gets dark in a couple of hours. Let's see, it's 5:30. It should be dark around 6 Pacific time. And Justin asked me a question, did I feel the quake from Southern California yesterday? I'm not certain about that. Probably not, because it was off of Ventura, off the coast, but I felt something around that general time, and I went, what the hell was that? So who knows? It might have radiated all the way up to the Bay Area. Building shook in Los Angeles, 5.3 off the Channel Islands, so, which is about, I don't know, 60, 70 miles off of Los Angeles. So that's what happened yesterday. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Excuse the iPad moving. I have to put it down because my hand's getting tired. And this has been unboxing, Burgh unboxing, and have a great day. Stay warm or dry or cool, and definitely safe out there if you can. Bye-bye for now.